All right, so let's do a couple of problems using the percent proportion. So your percent proportion is percent over 100 equals is over of. So the first question says, what number is? So the question is about the is portion. So we're going to give that a variable. We're going to write the number 75% as a fraction, 75 over 100, and the of is 4. So 75 over 100 equals is, that's my variable, over 4. Now I'm going to cross multiply. 100 times x is 100x. 75 times 4 is 300. Divide both sides by 100. I find out that x equals 3. So 3 is what percent of 4? We already know that 3 is 75% of 4, but I want to show you how to set that one up. So 3 is what percent, this is my question, of 4. So my percent is a variable over 100 equals 3 is the is over the 4. So 3 times 100 equals 300. 4 times x equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4. And I find out that 75 equals x. So my percentage is 75. Another way to write this is 75% of what number? So the of is now the variable, is 3. So 75%, 75 over 100 equals is 3 over of. I'm going to cross multiply. 75x equals 3 times 100 is 300. Divide both sides by 75. The number that I'm missing is 4. Okay, so using the proportion method, the setup is always going to be the same, whether you use the part over the whole equals the percent over the 100, or you use the is over of equals percent over 100. So I want to talk about the part. The part is the number with or closest to the word is, and the whole is the number with or closest to the word of. So that's why is over of is the same thing as part over whole. So what is, that's my x, 20%, 20 over 100 of 40. So is over of. That's how we're going to set that up. So 100 times x, 100x. 20 times 40 is 800. Divide both sides by 100. So x equals 8. So I thought I would give some practice problems. I'm going to send both of these to you. So let's try some practice problems. Okay. 12 is, so remember we're using the percent over 100 equals is over of. So 12 is what percent? So we're trying to find the percent of 32. So my variable goes over my percentage is 12. 12 is of 32. I'm going to cross multiply. 12 times 100 is 1200. 32 times x is 32x. I'm going to divide both sides by 32. And I find out that x equals I have to use a calculator. X equals 37.5%. So X equals 37.5%. Let's do it again. Let's try another one. 15 is what percent of 20? X over 100 equals 15 over 20. So I'm going to let you solve this one. So cross product. So you should have a copy of these notes. 20x equals 1500. Divide both sides by 20. Maybe pause the video for a second. Maybe pause so you can check your answer. I find out that the percentage is 75. Okay, let's do another one. What number is, so this is my variable, this is my percent of 450. So percent 15.5 over 100 equals is, which is a variable, over cross multiply 100x equals 15.5 times 450, 6,975. Divide both sides by 100. X equals 69.75. Okay. All right, so I'm going to stop this.